Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas. And if you remember from my last video, I mentioned that I had some more great products that was sent to me by Cheryl Norton. I'm going to be putting all her details again in the description box down below. Please check that out because she has some great free samples, and some of them are at the actual original, the size. So these samples are, you know, they're not just little tiny things, they're the actual size of the product. So, and all you need to do is just follow her on Facebook, on Instagram. You can message her there, like her page, and it's all on the products that you will be seeing. It's the Mary Kay products. If you don't know about them, please check them out. So I got another lovely pink box from her with some great products inside. I cannot wait to share them with you. So let's open it up in a lovely pink box. So let's see what we got in this box. Lovely wrapping. Ooh, okay. So in the large box here, we have the eye makeup remover, and this is oil free, and again it's in the Mary Kay, and you can see the size of that. I mean, this is a great sample. This is what we're talking, 110 mil. I mean, this is the size of the actual product. So it's dry to oily skin, suitable for sensitive skin. It's fragrance free, oil free, suitable for contact lens wearers as well. I mean, you know, they've thought about everything here. So, you know, you've got all of these, and all you need to do is you need to shake it until blended and apply a small amount on a cotton ball or pad, and I have my cotton pads now, and gently wipe all the traces of eye makeup. I will be demonstrating this product for you in this video. So let's just see the product and what it looks like inside. So, ooh, okay, I love the packaging and I love the pink bottle. This is going to look even glamorous on your dressing table as well. This is beautiful. You know, eye remover is very important, especially for people with sensitive skin, and especially for this delicate skin around the eyes. So it's always great to have an eye remover that just completely wipes your makeup off effortlessly, because you don't want to keep rubbing this delicate skin area. So this is the product. I need to shake that very well. I need to get my cotton pad, and I'm going to demonstrate that in a moment, because there are things as well in this box that I want to show you. So let's do that first, and then we can do this. Okay, so I have been given some free creams here. I have a day cream, I have a night cream. At the end here as well, I have an eye cream, and the first one is the Age Minimizing 3D 4-in-1 Cleanser. I've got Cheryl Norton's card here with all of her details on there. She's an independent consultant. I'm going to be giving you is her Facebook page, so you can directly message her as well if you are even interested in free samples, any of her products. Even if you want to discuss any concerns that you have, or any issues or any queries, you can contact her directly on her Facebook and on her Instagram. So that's why I'm giving you those in that link below, which is not actually on this card. Okay. So I have some great products here which I can't wait to share with you, and these are the lip products here. Okay, so there's two here, and we have a satin lips. It's the Sheer Sugar Scrub. Okay, and what does that look like? Okay, so that looks like this little tube here. So this is the scrub that you will put on your lips, leaving your lips lovely and plump. So I'll have a read of that, and we'll do that one as well. Why not? Let's just get this all done in one video. And then after that, we have the Sheer Butter Balm as well. So that is what you'll be putting on, I'm sure, after you've used the scrub, just to keep your lips lovely and soft and succulent throughout the day. Now, that is what I've got in this box, and I'm sure that I can definitely be using the day cream here as well after I've removed my eye makeup. And yeah, so this is going to be great. So this is the cleanser as well here. So I'm just going to be using all of this because all of this needs to be used in this video. So I'm just going to be using it because a lot of the stuff I will use anyway, because remove my makeup. I've got a day cream which I'll be needing. I've got a cleanser, sorry, here, facial cleanser. A day cream which I'll use after I've removed all of my makeup. And then I need to do the lip scrub and then the lip balm afterwards. And then that's the complete kit used. And yeah, can't wait. So it's definitely worth following these links that I'm going to be putting in that description box below. And this is endless. It's not just these products that I'm showing you. There are more products as well that are coming out that she has, which are really great. I'm following her on Instagram personally myself as well, and on the Facebook, and I'm looking at all the great products that she has. She's even talking to me about the new under eye patches as well that she's got coming out, and I've seen that on her Instagram and Facebook page as well, and they look really, really nice. So lots of things that she's got out at the moment. So let me go and let me sample these, because I do have some eye makeup on today and that needs to get removed. Okay, so I'm going to be removing my makeup with the eye makeup remover. Hold on a moment. Okay, so I'm going to be, I've got my cotton pads ready. That's what I had to go out for. I'm definitely not ready for my close-up today. I'm feeling very, very tired today, so hopefully this will make me feel better, because taking the makeup off. So I'm going to give it a shake, like so. Got me cotton pad. I'm going to see how this takes off the makeup. So it's on the cotton pad, it looks very clear. You can see that's clear. So let's get on with this. We'll do it this way so that you can see what I can see. Okay, so these were my tissues before. Okay, so this is, I'm going to be putting this on my lips, and it just says to rub it in like a circular motion and then just wipe it away or rinse it. So definitely is a lip scrub, and you can feel all those bits. And then now I'm going to be using the shea butter lip balm on top for smoother lips. So let's put this on. And again, this looks like this. I can definitely, this is really good stuff. It's not like other lip balms, you can really feel the coating on it. and it's very soft, so I like that. I'm going to use the day cream as well on my face. So there you go, I've got my face day cream on, and I'm going to also use the eye cream as well. So I've got the eye cream on now as well, so I feel a bit more fresher and also lighter. My lips definitely don't feel dry anymore. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed all of the products and the demonstration, and like I said below, you just need to check that description box for all of the details. It will all be down there. So I hope to see you all again in another video. Please hit on that notification so you don't miss out on any more fabulous ideas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed, then why not? Come on, you don't want to miss any more fabulous ideas. Stay safe, take care, see you in another one.